What's up, guys? Beach Bum Paradise here. I'm bringing you a little hidden gem video, and this is where we are right now, Columns Bonita Trail. We're gonna go ahead and start right here. We're actually gonna go off the trail, and we're gonna, it's still a trail, but it's not a marked trail. We're about to head in. This is what I was talking about. If you go straight, that's the beginning of the trail that goes up to the fork. But if you make a left, there's also a hidden trail here, and we're about to embark on it. When I start walking, dang man, he just bulldozed me. This is usually where, if it's been raining a lot, it's underwater. Last time I was here, there was like a little tiny creek. It was easy to step over, but we're about to see where it's at right now. Yep, see, it's wet, but it's definitely doable. There's some steps right here. And yeah, there's that little creek. So now it's flowing out. Last time I was here, it was flowing in and the water was coming up, but since it stopped raining and it hasn't rained for a couple days, now the water is going out. Now the only reason I don't like this area is because since this water is sitting, there is a bunch of mosquitoes coming through here. Now you can see right here, like there's water just sitting here and it's trapped because this is high. So there's gonna be mosquitoes like freaking, they're gonna be having a huge party up in here and laying, I bet you there's like 100,000,000 bazillion eggs in there right now. So once you get through that, you're onto the other side. And this is the kayak launch I launched out of recently. It's actually the water, so it's usually below that deck out there, but it rained so much the water levels rose, and it actually came all the way up to the steps, even up that ramp a little bit. But the river's flowing, and it's flowing fast. And the cool thing about when the river flows is that you could launch here and you can go towards Riverside Park and you're not using a lot of energy. You're really not. Oh yeah, look at those tarpon. Look at the tarpon rolling right there. Look, 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 the tarpon's rolling. They're big too. And they're just chilling right there because they know that all the bait is coming down this. And then they wait right there on the corner and they slam it. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so glad I got that on video. Let's go. So this spot is popping. It really is. And as you can see, there's little bait fish in the water. So let's keep going and see what we see. Right there you can see they're just chilling. Oh, oh, you see that? That's a tarpon. That's a tarpon rolling. Oh, they're all rolling right here. This is just the most beautiful setting ever. I love it. I really wanted to say thank you, and got a little bit more of a walk back, but this is where I'm gonna end the video. So like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned. Going to Utah, it's gonna be super lit. We're gonna be hitting up Sand Hollow. We're gonna be getting UTVs and freaking shredding it. We're gonna be hiking Angel's Landing, which is gonna be super epic.